good morning from Magic Kingdom. So we're here in Magic Kingdom. We got in at 8 o'clock and early entry starts at 8:30, but we're really in no rush to do anything. The whole reason to get here this morning really early was to try to find a 50th lounge fly at the Emporium, and the cast member said that they didn't have any. So since I didn't get the lounge fly, I ended up buying other stuff. I bought these ears. They're like kind of felty ears. Very, very cute. I got this 50th zip up, and it has like the iridescent stripe detail. Nothing on the back though. It's like a track jacket. And then my brother's birthday is today. Happy birthday, Indy. And so I got him this Spirit jersey zip up. I got a medium. You think that'll be good?
Yeah.
So it just has like the Walt Disney World emblem on the front, and then just says Walt Disney World on the back. Like a zip, you know, it's like a Spirit jersey, and it has like cool, different style to it. And then I also got, if I can find them, they're in here somewhere, gibbets for my Crocs. Halloween gibbets. How cute. Has a Halloween Dole Whip, a Mickey pumpkin, another Mickey looks like an apple, like a candy apple, nasty candy corn, and Happy Halloween. So if you have early entry, we're gonna go this way towards the purple wall for check-in.
How many with you?
Just two.
You can go. Have fun.
Thank you. We're taking a stop to our favorite spot in Magic Kingdom, where it all started.
Yep.
And nobody's here, which is nice.
That's a penny. One for you.
Thank you very much. I'm going to make a wish.
What'd you wish for?
I don't tell you. We are in Fantasyland right now. Our first ride of the day is Seven Dwarfs. That's like our first trip.
It is.
Where our first ride was
Seven Dwarfs.
Seven Dwarfs. The park still hasn't opened to the general public.
Guests.
It's just for those who have early access, so basically those who are staying on property. And there's a lot of people in here already. Next ride is our favorite little elephant, Dumbo. Ryan! Why is Ryan not coming out? Next ride of our day is Space Mountain with a standby wait time of 20 minutes.
Our favorite of the three mountains.
Yes, it's our favorite and the best. This is my water bottle's first time on Space Mountain, and I have PTSD from my Hydro Flask just going rogue. Row 5 and 6 yet again.
Dot.
What time?
20 on the dot.
Update, the water bottle survived. Ryan is still balanced. We just got off Space Mountain. It was posted at a 20-minute wait, and we waited exactly 20 minutes.
Even though we kind of cut the line a little bit, because he asked for a party of 2, and party 2 right here.
Yeah, the party 2 in front of us wasn't paying attention. Oh no, steam. Missed my hair. So yeah, so we kind of would have ended up waiting a little longer than 20 minutes.
3 minutes maybe.
Yeah, not too bad. We're going now to Big Top Souvenirs. They open at 10. I think it's 10 right now. So we're just gonna go see what they have there. See if they have the Spirit jersey my friend's looking for. And then we have a return time for Jungle Cruise.
Probably right now we can go if we want to.
So we're just gonna go over to Big Top.
We'll go to Adventureland.
Yep.
Right.
Entering Big Top Souvenirs. Let's see what they got. Christine, it's not looking too good. I don't see anything. They have a 50th cupcake right over there for $6. And oh, look at Mickey gingerbread. What's that say? Mickey Mouse Red Shorts sugar cookie. They got lots of like candy apples. It's cool. Really, really cool. But nope. We're here in the Christmas shop.
You almost said tree.
I almost did say tree. That's why I had to stop myself. We are just here to see if we can find an ornament. And also see if Ryan can get a birthday pin. Oh, these are beautiful.
Merry and bright.
That's really nice. Is it heavy?
Yes.
It's the top of the tree ornament.
Yes, it's the top of the tree ornament for sure.
I like the Spaceship Earth one too.
I do too.
I really wanted a 50th.
Do they have any?
I don't know. I saw them at Disney Springs. I don't see any here. But that's really nice. They don't have this at Disney Springs. It says it lights up.
Does it?
It says light
The
up.
Spaceship Earth one or this one?
No, this one. I think Spaceship Earth. This one says
Where does it say
blown
lights up?
glass. Right here. See, Disney parks light up. But what lights up?
I'm sure they would tell you how to do it.
Maybe the
Maybe you got
words
twisted.
and like fireworks on there.
Here we go.
Oh.
Got twisted.
Wait, show the camera, show the camera. Show it again. That's so pretty.
Look, it's got the Tower, Tree of Life, Spaceship Earth, and the castle.
Wow. That's really pretty.
I think that's
we
Tower
should get it on the
Tower.
way out.
We should, so I want to carry it around all day.
Yeah. For anyone who isn't familiar with this brown stream looking thing here in Liberty Square, this is to symbolize how back during
colonial times.
Yeah, back in the colonial times, they would like dump their sewage and it would make this stream. So that's what this symbolizes, everyone's waste. And if you also notice, there's no bathrooms in Liberty Square. We are headed over to Jungle Cruise. We just got into Adventureland. Look, we got our, oh, you can't see it. Can you see it there? We got our annual pass holder orange tags. They had them at the ticket office in Liberty Square. And the guest relations cast member was saying how that they've ran out of them and they've been discontinued, but since the ticket office was closed for a year, they found some. So it really was fate, like walking in there in the hopes that they had some left over.
Between 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. We call them the rulers of the jungle, the true monarchs. And right around the corner is Inspiration Falls. A lot of people ask me, you skip our head off, why is it called Inspiration Falls? Thank you for asking. Because the longer you look and stare at it and listen to it, the more it's going to inspire you. And Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, you're in Africa. All right, Africa. Attraction here at the Jungle Cruise. It is the
31 ears. Oh my
Not
god.
years, ears. We're getting in a spring roll line. Look how long this line is for spring rolls. But you know what? It's so
forever.
worth it. Since
January
January.
2020.
Wowzers. Thank you. We got some napkins. Holy smokes. We finished our spring rolls and we are now heading to Big Thunder Mountain. And then I think after Big Thunder, we're gonna try to get on Splash Mountain.
Alright, let's go!